Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, go to Facebook app. Tap on this icon. You can see that three dot icon. Tap on this. Scroll down here. Tap on setting and privacy. Next, tap on setting. After that, you can see that Meta account center. Tap on personal details. Now you can see here personal details. Tap on this. After that, tap on account ownership and control. You can see that deactivation or deletion. Tap on this. Next, select your Facebook account. You can see that deactivate account and delete account. Tap on delete account. Next, tap on continue. You can see that many options. Select on. Next, tap on continue. Next, tap on continue. Scroll down here. You can tap on again continue. Now type here your Facebook password. Tap on continue. Next, you can see that confirm permanent account deletion. Tap on delete account. If you then tap on this delete account, hopefully solve deleted your account permanently. I do not want to delete my account, so do not tap. When you want to delete account, tap delete account. Thanks for my watching to video. Please subscribe to my channel.